Hi, and welcome. We will show you how to upgrade M2 SSD from 256 GB to 1 TB for ASUS Vivobook Go 15 R522 models. Unscrew all the screws, but put the two shortest ones separately. This is your SSD memory. Unscrew the screw from the SSD carefully, because it is very small. Pull back gently until you remove it. We put the new SSD with the thin part towards the battery, as shown by the plug on the motherboard. We screw back the screw to the SSD. Put the cover back. Press well, so that it clicks. If it doesn't click, something is not aligned well, and you have to take it out and put it back in. If it clicked, continue with the tightening of the screws. We recommend that you screw in the two small screws first, then the rest. Here is the location of the first small screw. And here, for the second small screw. The rest can be put in anyway. Let's see if it works. Insert the Windows memory stick. With the default settings, the laptop will start from the inserted stick, and will take you directly to the installation. But, if not, you have to select the stick you inserted in the BIOS. Let me show you. The laptop must be turned off. Locate the F2 key on the keyboard. Press the start button, and after a second press and hold the F2 key until the BIOS opens. Now we go to boot. Here we select boot option number 1. Now we will choose from the list the name of the memory stick, and the laptop will start from it. If you don't see your memory stick there, put it in another USB port. If it still does not see the memory stick, then you have to create it again, but make sure it is in GPT partition, UEFI format. But let's continue with the Windows installation. Yep, we choose what we want here. Yes, as you can see, we have the new fully functional SSD. But let's make some partitions, and start the installation to make sure that everything will go according to plan. That's about all. That was our guide to upgrade the RAM memory. I don't think it's necessary to remind you to subscribe and tell us if it worked. We wish you success and a good day.